Hi everyone. So today I have a review of some products for you. I was recently contacted by bbcrafts.com and asked if I would be willing to check out some of their products and do a video review. And so I decided, sure. I went to check out the website and look. I've seen a lot of videos that everybody's been doing and that sort of thing. And had honestly never heard of this company before, so I thought I'd better check it out. And they sent the products. Now, if I can get this out of this bag, everything is wrapped up really, really well. Bubble wrapped. There was actually a note in the package with me that said that when this had to come through customs, it was actually opened, which, you know, neither here nor there. I did take a peek in and look, and I do know that everything is still in the package that is supposed to be. And so other than being wrapped up with this particular bit of bubble wrap, I'm not sure what else was what, but they did put a note on there that they weren't sure what everything was for. So, but that's okay. So everything did arrive just fine. And if you give me 1 second, we'll get over here so we can see what it is that I actually ordered. So this is called Arricraft, Arricraft, Arricraft. It comes with 5 sets, and it is, and sorry about all of that. I should have probably opened this before, but I wanted you guys to see how well these are actually wrapped. So give me 1 second and we'll get it out of there. Okay. So these are, it says 5 sets, 40 by 30 oval clear glass cabochon covers, and the pendant settings. So if you're looking at these are really, really good size. They are super pretty. And I love literally just the size of them. So there's the front and there's the back. So super nice, super nice. And then the glass cabochons that go in them as well. And for the size, you know, I'm thinking not only a pendant, but just about anything else that one would want to do. And because they are an alloy, it's super, super simple to cut this off if you wanted to use it just as like a centerpiece for something besides just being a pendant. But, so there's those. And there are 5 glass cabochons to go with as well. So, and they are super, super nice, very, very clear on the cabochons, and they magnify in a glorious, glorious manner. I absolutely love those. So that's going to be exciting to work with, and I have a few things kind of lined out already that I think I want to do with those. So there's those, and then I found these, and just in time for a project that I'm working on. Hang on 1 sec and we'll pull these up. These are also Arricraft, and like I said, that's Arricraft. 5 sets, antique golden, 18mm clear domed glass cabochon covers, and 79 by 30mm bookmark cabochon settings. So this is the bookmark. And there are 5 of those in here. So I have those. And I have a project that I'm kind of in the middle of, and I needed that. So, and these are the antique golden. They also come in, let's see what these other ones say, antique golden and antique silver. So, and there are actually 2 different designs on this part of the piece. So you'll be able to see from the link, because I will add the links in the description box below. So you'll be able to see that, but you can see how those look. And the cabochons are super, super clear. So when that has an image of some kind in there, when I'm done with this, you'll be able to see. So there's those. Super, super pretty. And next is, this is the, these are called Benecreate. Wow. I'm glad I'm not the only one that has butchered the name of that. This is it says 2 pieces aromatherapy essential oil diffuser necklace. And yet you have the necklace piece. There's this one. And these are in the rose gold. They also come in golden, is what it says. Golden. But this is the rose gold. And you've got this angel. And it also comes in platinum. And then this one, these are the rose gold. And so, and there's also another style that is, if I can get a hold of this, please hold. So there's that. Look at how pretty that is. Super, super pretty. But it also comes in another style. And the other style is a heart shape and an actual, like, a ball. And so these also come with a chain. So there's, and because they come in a bag, not too much for tangle, but there is a chain with a lobster claw for each one. So there's one there and one here. And what these are for is for aromatherapy. And there's also a little velvet bag, drawstring bag that goes with that. But what these are for, they have a, let's see what we have here for how many. There are lava stones, and give me a second, we'll get them out. Each set comes with 7 lava stones of each different color. And then you also get the little blue, there's a ball, little blue ball with a bell in it. I don't know if you can hear that or not. But with the lava stones, what you can do is you pick whatever scent of your essential oil that you like to wear. And you put your lava stone in the ball. Put your fragrance in there that you like of whatever kind. I mean, I'm sure you could use perfume if that's what one wanted to do. Or you could go with, you know, whatever scent of essential oil that you like. One of my favorites, I absolutely love lemongrass. I don't know why. It's just a smell that I really like. I love peppermint and rosemary. Those things are very soothing. If you've got a cold or something like that, you could go with eucalyptus. You can put any scent in there that you want and put this on the chain and wear it to your heart's content. And the nice thing about the colors of the little lava beads is, you know, it just has to do with like whatever you're wearing, or if you've got some sort of, you're doing something mystical, let's go there. You can match your color to your fragrance or that sort of thing and, you know, go with that. But these are, my fingernails are so long I cannot get a hold of the lobster claw. So just bear with me a second. It's time to have the nails done. There we go. So get that spun around there. But, so there's that. But this one is just basically like the angel wings. Really pretty. Super, super pretty. And like I said, you can go with like just the little belt if that's what you want to do, the little blue bell, or you can mix and match your color to whatever it is that you're wearing for the day. And the way these open, there's a little catch right there that locks down, and it's got a pretty good snap on it, so it's not going anywhere. You know that once that hooks on and does its little snap, that it's not going to come off. And this one is a cute little angel sitting on top of the ball. So super, super cute. And they're really heavy, nice quality, but not so heavy that it's going to pull like on your neck or your skin or anything like that. But this is just absolutely adorable. And I love these. They would make a nice gift or anything along the lines of that for like the holidays or, you know, Christmas, birthdays, that sort of thing. So there's those. And the nice thing about these lava balls is that they don't take a whole lot of, it doesn't take a lot. You don't want to use more than maybe 2 or 3 drops of whatever scent that you're wanting to put on there. And, you know, you could use your own perfume or anything else that you decided that you wanted to use on that. So there's those. And last but not least, I wanted to check out these. And these are the Panda Hall Retro Purse Bag Kiss Clasp handles for making a purse. That sort of situation. And if you give us a second here, we'll actually get this out of the bag because they are wrapped up really, really nice so that they don't get damaged. I am pleasantly surprised at the size of these. And the sizes are listed on the website, but sometimes, you know, even though sizes are listed on the website, it doesn't necessarily mean that they are that size. Now, this one is designed, like I said, a snap clutch like that, has the handle. It's designed with this so that you could actually add a shoulder strap or something like that if that's what you wanted. So there's that. And I'm really pleased at the width that this will actually open once there's, you know, the actual purse hanging down there. And this one is rose gold. And for the 2 of them, they are $10.19. That's the US price. But they're just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And so let's see if we can get this one out of here. Bear with. Please hold. Okay. So I honestly thought when I was looking at them that they were 2 different types, but they're not. They're actually the same pattern, which is fabulous. This one is the antique bronze, and I just love it. I am so pleased with the size of these and how they are. It's fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. And I'm so excited to get to work with these. So you can tell what's going to be with that particular project. So there's that. And what you need to know right now is that at the moment, BB Craft is having a promotion for Mother's Day and their USA warehouse clearance. And they're also offering up to 60% off discount for most of the products in the USA warehouse. So when you go to the website and you're looking and searching for products, when you're looking, you need to make sure that you actually click on the link that says that you're actually looking for, you know, shipping from USA. And so when you click on an item, just anything per se, when you're looking, you need to make sure that you are clicking on the button that says free shipping, because the free shipping button is what sends items from the United States. Not everything is available in both areas as far as availability, because there's the China warehouse items they can be delivered worldwide because most of my stuff came from the China warehouse, which is why it took a little bit longer for it to get here, but not by a lot of days, just a couple of days more. But orders that are less than $25, you get charged shipping fees, but anything over $25, you have that free shipping. So as long as you're looking at what you're looking for, is you click that button up there at the top, right above where it says search for items on the website. Generally, it will let you know whether it's coming from China or from the United States. And everything in the U.S. warehouse is actually in the middle of their sale right now. So, like I said, they're having a new promotion for Mother's Day and the USA warehouse clearance and everything right now. They're offering up to 65% off discount for most of the products in the USA warehouse. So there's that. And I will put the links for all of these products in the description box below, and be on the lookout in the next few days for some upcoming projects with these products. And this one I am so excited to get to try out, and we'll see how long these particular little lava balls actually hold the scent, because they're supposed to last for a couple of days and stay as strong lasting as they started when you put your drops on. So we'll see how well those do. So thanks everyone for watching, and go check out bbcrafts.com. Like I said, all the links will be in the description box below, as well as all the information for all of these products. So don't miss out on that. Thanks everyone for watching. Bye now.